Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a HP Deskjet 2622. This is nice and simple, done from the printer itself without the need of an attached PC or laptop. And with the paper tray extended in front of the printer, you need to reach into the machine and pull down on this little recess here until this door comes open. With that done, the printer will realise, start moving the ink cartridges about before it stops here. So just reach in, whichever cartridge it is you need to change, got colour on the left, black on the right. Press down on the very front of the cartridge, it'll come loose, like that. And pull it out, down at that angle it ends up coming out as. And take your replacement cartridge. I'm going to be popping the same one back in because there's absolutely no need to replace this cartridge at the moment. But if you've got a new cartridge, make sure you've removed any clips that you might find on the front of remanufactured cartridges. And whether it's remanufactured or a HP original, there'll probably be like an adhesive strip that needs peeling off, which exposes both the contacts your printer uses to recognize the cartridge and the print head on the bottom where the ink comes out. On a few remanufactured cartridges, you might find the strip is at the side, so just make sure that's gone so that it's not going to block up where the ink comes out of the cartridge. And to pop them back in, it's the same process in reverse. So it goes in at that lower angle. There's a nice little shelf for the rim of the cartridge to run along. And with it in place, you just lift up until you hear a click like that. When you see its edge is run along with the black cartridge, you know it's in place. Now repeat, if you want to do the same for the other cartridge, before lifting that door back up, clicking it into place, and then your printer will start taking a look at the cartridge. You'll hear some clicking and whirring from the printer, and you can easily confirm if the cartridge has been accepted by going back to the screen and taking a look at the colour and the black ink levels and basically the presence of the cartridge found on this here. If your printer's not happy with either of the cartridges, it won't be shy in letting you know, and hopefully that's got you back up and running. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it's been useful, let me know with a like, and if there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.